gotta give him a haircut. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're both kind of scared. We're actually gonna talk about hair. So my sister went to hair school. I have her on the phone, but I don't know if she wants to be shown right now. We're both in our morning jammies. And she's gonna give me some tips on how to do the hair. Here's a sneak peek. Ah! We both look so cute. Okay.
Okay, so it's pretty small. Yeah. Okay, so what technicals do we got in there? Because that's more like a...
It's more like a beard trimmer or something. Okay. Partway through a workout, like 12 minutes in, I had to go get Jack a snack. Mom life. I'm doing a workout with Coach Kel. I really like that channel. If I remember, I will link it below, but she does ballet and bar inspired workouts. It's just really nice on a day where like I don't want to do such heavy weights because I just did them yesterday and I'm feeling sore. But it gets the body moving and you feel good, and she's just got a really nice light energy about her. So anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. Well, I'm about to do some yard work, and this is the only thing I can find is a hat. But you gotta protect your face. Sunscreen, hat, yard outfit, I don't know. We are representing the sushi on the sleeves. We have this nice Old Navy fuzzy thing that keeps me very warm. Charging earphones for a podcast, or AirPods. And I will be wearing hiking boots. I mean, if you don't want to just pounce when you see all this, ow, you better check yourself. Kind of assessing some of our gardening equipment. I'm not going to use much of that today. I need the rake is what I need. Where might the rake be? Questions. Ooh, I also need this thing. Yeah, so I need that thing with some of the paper bags. Where is everything? My plan is to basically rake out the garden beds and trim away any of the dead things and then rake the yard. I don't know, I have a very big yard. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's the plan for today. And we're just gonna get it done. It's gonna be my workout for the day. It's going to be all sorts of things. I get to watch the kids play on the trampoline, like do all the stuff. So it's gonna be a busy day. Well, here we are at the halfway through the day mark, and I've raked this entire garden. Under the tree here, it's all raked up and lovely all along the side of the house, around the tree, because so much of the, the tree bark falls down. And then of course everything around this tree. And I ended up with 3 full bags along with this side of the house. So this green stuff just kind of grows like crazy all summer long, and one thing I'm going to do differently is I'm going to cut it a bit shorter as it starts to grow wild. Whew. Probably have some 4 headlines for that hat. You know, when you're doing a project as big as this yard, like you really do have to break it up into sections, so I'm super impressed that I did the whole front yard. Boom. And my goal for today is the front yard and then the side of the house. There's a canoe there, so I got to move that. But the side of the house and just around the deck to the tree. It's like the first, and then that'll leave me the last third of the yard, which is really big. Well, we've gotten to the part of quarantine where Dean's hair is a little shaggy. I got to give him a haircut. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're both kind of scared. Are you going to wear this? I should put a towel or something.
We'll get a towel.
Yeah, okay. I'm really prepared. I'll be right back. All right. looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Okay, so kept it a little longer on the top only because honestly it's a little scary to cut people's hair. But look, trim, looks good, looks good. And I even edged it a bit in the back. I think I did a damn good job, sir. You are welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Where is my payment for this?
Later.
It's by no means perfect, but I mean, for my first effort at cutting hair, I'd say that was a win. Cheers. This is how my children play with their friends now. Hi, baby. They've got friends that live in that yard. They're not playing, but they're just yelling at each other. Can you see them up in there? Boop, they're right there, and then my two are there. Social distancing, but kids gotta get creative, man. It's a long 43 days, or whatever it is. I'd also like to report that I'm currently sitting at 20,702 steps for the day. And my hands are blistering quite nicely. Can you see the red marks on that one? And then what about this one? Let's see. This one's not as bad. I also haven't made dinner. What time is it? Damn it, it's 6 o'clock. Nobody's hungry. Everybody had a snack about an hour ago. We're kind of doing that. There's a bunch of leftovers in the fridge. It's a leftover night. I'm just so happy to be sitting out on the deck. It's like warm enough for deck sitting. My favorite. It's just a little bit lonely because normally I have neighbors and we're sitting out and visiting. But not right now. So much cleaning, but I'm done. So I've done this new thing now where every weekend I clean the toilets and the sink. So I'm not doing like a huge deep clean. Whoa, are you all right? I'm not doing this huge deep clean of the bathrooms. Like, now I only have one bathroom with a tub and a shower, and that does need a deep clean, but I'm not into it today, so that's gonna have to wait till next weekend. But anyway, I'm not doing this huge deep clean, but like toilets and sinks, I feel like right now, because everybody's home, and those bathrooms are getting used like double time, they just need a clean, because it gets disgusting by the time we get into the second week. Ugh. So anyway, that's what I'm up to. And yeah, you know, I'm still structuring my weekends where I'm doing a ton of housework, and then I don't do any throughout the week. It's just, I prefer it that way. So I get like a good podcast on the go, and I just did all 3 toilets. I always tidy the basement. I tidy like the whole house. I do the bedrooms. I organize everybody's things. I pick people's clothes up. I do, you know, probably all the stuff that you guys do in your houses too. And I do find it really helpful because by the end of Sunday, the house is tidy. Usually all, if not most of the laundry is done and put away. So I'm doing the laundry as well right now. And I just feel really good about things. So anyway, I'm sure you have a system that works. I know a lot of you guys like to do like laundry every day, but it's too much for me. I don't know. I work from home. I can't. If I separate too much, I get nothing done. You know, like too much multitasking leads to 0 things being completed. Anyway, that's where I'm at. The only sad thing is these blisters. Can you see these blisters on my hands? They're very sore right now. So I think I've got to put some bandages on them. Otherwise that will not heal. Yeah, you know, like tidied. All the toilets are clean, garbage is emptied, sinks cleaned, and all the towels taken downstairs. I wiped down all the mirrors, although look at that nice streak. Yeah, I did all the mirrors. Okay, we're gonna play a round of Color Brain, which is this game.
Next.
Pretty fun game.
Next person to play with me.
Oh, really?
Okay, whatever.
Okay. We need to get the big cards. These guys.
The big card.
Our colors. Which color are you?
1.
Okay.
You're not number 1.
I know. I'm dividing them up.
Can I use my card now?
Those are yours.
Can I use my card?
No, nobody has points yet.
Oh.
Okay, so first one. It's one color. It's from the Monsters movie. The predominant color of Randall Boggs.
It's red. There's one?
One color.
Okay.
Okay. It is. Ooh, a purple. I got that one. 1 point for Mom.
Can I use this now?
No.
Just having
Oh my god.
red.
Really? Fine.
Just
Give me
kidding.
my
No,
one.
no.
Not yet. Give me my 1 point.
Whoops. Oh.
I'm number 4. Color in one crown.